Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Flash Custom Transfers, and I am here to just say thank you. So this video is just gonna be a thank you video. Again, we're gonna be doing a lot of different things for 2024. So if you purchase from us, we are going to do our best to just thank you to the customers out there. So as you guys can see on the screen, Mickey Rubio, thank you. Thank you so much. You spent $119 with us. You got the two 22 by 60 gang sheets. Thank you. Thank you, we truly appreciate it. I know you guys have maybe seen a video before where I was thanking everybody for purchasing the Carl's Garage Handbook. Again, we thank you, and I'd like to do the same thing for everybody out there who purchased the gang sheets that we have or anything else on the website. So this is just today. Right now, we just got a couple of sales in here on this side. There's a lot of other things that we're working on in the background. Again, you guys know that we're also working on our website. The new website is still being worked on. We're actually working on financing, being able to offer you financing through Citizens Bank. So we're in talks with them to be able to put them on our website. At the top, you will be able to click finance. It'll then take you to them, and you will be teamed up. You will be able to fill out an application, and then you will be teamed up with an associate from Citizens Bank, and they will get you financed if you are looking to purchase a printer. They're a great financial institution, and they are looking in 2024 to really help people like you get into a real DTF printer. And again, they already know MIMAKI and stuff like that. So you will soon be able to purchase from us and get financing through them, and then get your DTF printer and get all the same services and customer support from AMCAD and Cutworks. So there's a lot going on. Also, we sell on a lot of different platforms. So Shopify, Square, Facebook, Personal, and then there's a few other, Instagram, TikTok Shop. We have a bunch of stuff like that. And we also have magnet signs. So this is something that we haven't even released on the website yet, but this right here, this is vinyl. So we're just kind of showing you how you look at the lines. It's not really, look at the lines right there. It's not really that sharp, but this right here is DTF, apparel DTF. Yes, apparel DTF. I'll do a separate video on this, but apparel DTF does press onto magnets. So if you have a magnet like this type of material, apparel DTF presses on here. I know, it's crazy. It does work. It doesn't warp it or anything. You see, it's just fine. It still sticks. So this is gonna be a product that we've actually already released. We are doing very well with selling these in certain sizes. And then this right here down at the bottom is UVDTF. Yeah, so this is UVDTF. This is apparel DTF, and this right here is vinyl. Again, we just wanted to show the contrast, the differences between the colors and everything. As you can see, you can get a full color graphic on your magnet sign. It's huge, it's huge. Again, we're doing a good job doing that. So we're doing things on all different platforms, but the main Flash Custom Transfer website, I just wanna show people, guys, I just wanna say thank you so much, Mr. Mikey Rubio. And then we're gonna go to the next person, Jessica, Miss Jessica, thank you so much. Thank you so much. She purchased the 22 by 120 next day. So yours is on its way. Your transfers are on its way. And a lot of people are asking us MIMAKI questions. Again, if you have I had 2 or 3 people so far ask us about a MIMAKI printer, and we are there to help you. I had one guy email me. I haven't seen your email, so please, if you have emailed me, let me know. I haven't seen your email, so I don't know if it came in right or not, but I'm here to help you. He was having issues with his color profile, but what I think is happening a lot in the industry is people don't have, make sure I fix my mic. What's happening, I think, a lot in the industry is people don't necessarily have the same RIP software that we use. So we use CADLink Digital Factory 11. That's what we use. So there's Rasterlink that comes for free out the box with MIMAKI printers. But remember, if you get a printer from us, we will include that CADLink software. So a lot of people are having different issues because they might've got that Rasterlink software with their MIMAKI printer. But us, due to a lot of R&D, we figured out that what works really well for us, not that Rasterlink doesn't, but what works really well for us is the CADLink, the Digital Factory, man. That stuff, that software is truly amazing. So again, if you get the printer from us, if you finance it through us, or even if you finance it through AMCAD, for right now, we will in a bundle, we will put that software with the printer that you purchase, as well as double consumables and stuff like that. And you get that year warranty and everything. And if you're in the southern region, we can definitely get it to you. For the people out there in like New York, Philadelphia, the whole East Coast, email me and we can definitely get it to you, but it's just a different process than if you're here in the southern region or even California. The shipping process to move that huge unit to you, shaker and printer and stuff like that, so it's just a different process. But we definitely can get it done. But yeah, so I just want to say again, thank you, Miss Jessica. Thank you so much. We appreciate you for purchasing the 22 by 120. Again, we have a lot of stuff going on, so I'm just here just to continue to let you guys know that we are here and we are here to support you. Your item is on its way. Also, just wanted to say thank you to Miss Leandra. Miss Leandra, thank you so much. You got the very cheap $1.99 glitter pack. I actually need to go back up because that was just for like a holiday sale and I haven't changed it. So thank you. You got the glitter pack. I think you got some other things too. You got a couple of packs, right? You got a couple of packs? Yeah. So you got the glitter, you got the sequin, and I think you got the vibrant red alpha letters too. So again, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate it. Is there anybody else in here? I'll just do a couple of people. We already did Mikey. Oh, Christian. Thank you, Christian. You got some digital download packs as well. So remember guys, those are out there. Those digital download packs, we have a bunch of digital downloads that you can get from the website. And again, we tell you to get them from us and go sell them somewhere else. Remember, we are always here to provide you with tools so that you can purchase them from us and then go make money with them. It's not just purchase them from us and you just keep purchasing from us like all the other companies out there. We are soon, you won't be seeing me talk about Flash Custom Transfers too much. You will be seeing me talking about flashprintingdepot.com, which will be an all-encompassing, all-in-one print website for you with all different types of printers, cutters, transfers, sublimation, vinyl, you name it, everything will be there. Consumables, financing, everything that you need, one place to just go to, get everything that you need from a trusted source. You see us working with these big companies because we're really trying to make really big moves. So that's gonna be it, just a quick little video, just to thank you guys out there, just to thank a couple of people out there today so far. And again, I will periodically do these videos. We just truly appreciate you and we wanna show more appreciation in 2024 and moving forward. Again, if you have any MIMAKI questions, please, if you have any DTF printer questions, regardless, just let us know, because personally from our experience, a lot of people don't necessarily say what they've been using for a very long time. We're just gonna let the cat out the bag. For this entire time, we've been using the CADLink software. It's a great software. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can get it. And again, if you have a DTF printer and you already have some other software, I would suggest using the CADLink Digital Factory, especially the 11. They got the new background and you can like change the color. It's nice and black in the background, so it's not so hard on the eyes. An amazing software. If you want to get like color profiles, or you want to get I think somebody was telling me they were only getting like the same color or something like that. I don't know. We're not really too familiar with the other softwares. We kind of use one, and it's actually available to be used on a lot of other, even the Chinese printers out there. You can use CADLink Digital Factory on a lot of those Chinese printers out there. So again, just contact us. If you have any DTF questions, period, on any machines, not converted machines, don't contact us for that. There's a big discussion going on about converted machines versus real DTF machines, and then the new ones that are coming from these print companies like MIMAKI, Roland, and Epson. They're coming with DTF printers. I just seen another company out there too. There's STS as well. There's a bunch of new companies kind of based here in America that are coming out with a lot of DTF printers to kind of compete with those Chinese ones. So again, if you have any questions, email us at ordernowflashsystemtransfers.com, or you can email us at straightoutofcontent@gmail.com. Either way, I will do whatever I can to help you get your printer up and running. It doesn't, even if you don't get it from us, if I help you, maybe one day you will consider purchasing a MIMAKI printer. That's what we're here for. All right, guys, thank you very much. We truly appreciate everything. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.